Starting around 23 October 2023, HEX certainly is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.17% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely huge. HEX generally has an in every way that really matters, complete market cap of $575,032,938 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $204,201, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. This really makes HEX fundamentally positioning at 211 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX by and large be in every practical sense worth in 2023, especially in spite of prevalent thinking? Is HEX a sort of wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of huge manner? Will HEX cost essentially outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in an exceptionally enormous manner? These especially are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future, or so they in every practical sense thought. HEX value expectation 2023 as per the HEX conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the HEX cost for the most part is supposed to especially cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.007, the normal pretty least value worth of HEX, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to be $0.007, or so they in a real sense thought. Besides, HEX can explicitly arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.007 in an especially enormous manner. HEX value figure August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of HEX sort of is explicitly anticipated to basically arrive at a for the most part normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.006 and at least $0.005, which by and large is very critical. HEX value figure September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of HEX in every way that really matters is for the most part anticipated to by and large arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.006 and at least $0.006, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007, which really is very critical. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.006, showing how these generally are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future, which essentially is genuinely critical. HEX value gauge November 2023. The sort of normal cost of HEX could essentially go to $0.007 toward the finish of November 2023, or so they certainly thought. HEX could by and large be exchanging around an essentially most extreme worth of $0.007, with the especially least expected cost of $0.006 in an unpretentious manner. HEX value estimate December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a really least worth of $0.007, while the genuinely greatest gauge value sort of is around $0.007. Pretty further appearance how HEX value conjecture September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of HEX fundamentally is for the most part anticipated to basically arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $0.006 and an essentially least of $0.006 in a by and large significant manner. The very normal cost for HEX is generally anticipated to basically reach $0.007 in December 2023. Which truly shows that assuming you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX really be certainly worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? HEX exceptionally past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been by and large diminished by 0.26% in its certainly current worth in an extremely significant manner. Assuming we basically look at the truly current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap by and large is likewise down, showing how in a real sense is HEX a truly wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly is very huge. Hex in every practical sense is confronting and in every practical sense difficult time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins, showing the way that besides Hex can in every practical sense arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of $0.007, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Hex essentially is down to nearly 6.37% in the for the most part most recent 7 days, exhibiting how Hex in every practical sense is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, showing the way that besides Hex can sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.007 in a genuinely significant manner. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for essentially past kind of couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for pretty in any case. We don't really feel that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment. Pretty further appearance how Hex truly is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins. Showing the way that besides Hex can truly arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme value level of $0.007 or so they in a real sense thought. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Hex certainly diminished by 95.721%, disposing of an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0.074 from its ongoing worth in every practical sense. Further appearance how in the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Hex cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Hex generally be especially worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a genuinely great generally purchase a valuable open door for pretty fast speculation. Which certainly shows that Hex value gauge November 2023, the truly normal cost of Hex could generally go to $0.007 toward the finish of November 2023. The 90 days cost change really is near 86.87%. And the value soared of course from a genuinely least exceptionally normal cost of $0.024 to pretty most extreme genuinely normal cost of $0.027 in the especially beyond 90 days, which by and large is genuinely critical. Hex by and large is somewhere near 81.95% with the especially most extreme genuinely normal cost of the coin sort of was around $0.023 and the truly least exceptionally normal cost of essentially was around $0.021 and lovely beyond 4 months or so they especially thought. Hex value conjecture 2023 facts what will for the most part be Hex truly worth in 2023, which explicitly is very critical. The Hex cost generally is determined to truly arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of $0.007 with really least cost of